Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix heating issue on iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you are using iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro Max and now you want to fix the heating issue of your iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. There are some steps for this. First step is that you just have to close all background apps. You just have to pull it up, and here you can see there are too many apps running in background. You just have to close these all apps, and after that you have to make a force restart your phone. So let's see how can you do it. You have to quickly press and release volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do it. First volume up, volume down, and power button, and then slide it to power off your phone. And after doing this, you just have to power on your phone. For this, you just have to press and hold the power button until the Apple logo won't show on your phone. And after powering off your phone, you just have to do some more settings. So wait for it to turning it on. And after your phone has been restarted, so now you just have to enter your passcode to unlock your phone. And then you have to do some settings. So go for settings, and in settings you have to scroll down and go for general, and here you have to see if your phone is up to date. You have to check for system updates, and after doing this just go back, and after that now go back, and here you will get another option which is background app refresh. Just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on it again, and here you just have to turn off these settings. Just tap on it, and now you can see no one app is running in background. So that's all. Now you just have to look for location service in your device. For this, just go to main settings, and in settings just scroll down and look for privacy and security. Here's that, tap on it, and here you have location services. Just tap on it, and you just have to disable the apps which don't require, and you can turn off location service and then tap on turn off. And after doing this you have all set, and now your phone will not heat too much, and you have successfully fixed the heating issue of your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.